Hey guys, so I'm right now in my new car. If you haven't seen my buying my first car at 17 video and an empty car tour, I definitely suggest watching that before this video so this will kind of like make sense. Sorry about the gum in my mouth. I can't throw it out because I don't have tissues in here yet. That video was so fun to film. I was so proud of it, and when it got put up there was a problem with it, so it kind of flopped at the beginning. Make sure to go watch that if you want to see me shopping for it and a full empty car tour. This video is going to be decorating, cleaning, and organizing my new car. Also, you can stick till the end of this video if you want to see me debadging my car. I'm going to take off some stuff on the back of my car just to make it look really clean. So the first thing I need to do is like clean off everything because this is a used car. It was detailed pretty well. I just want to clean it myself. I don't know. Yeah, let's get right on into cleaning, decorating, and organizing my new car. So I have this Frank Body bagged hot dog little sugar doo. Actually, I'm gonna clean everything. Let's get to it. So I have this little homemade cleaner that my mom made, and I'm just gonna clean everything with a microfiber cloth if you were curious.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
Huh. Okay, I should like go down here to film. Well, just got all the dirt out of everything. Now it is time to put my camera tripod on. This honestly just makes it like a YouTuber car. Like it makes it official, you know what I mean? So I have this little majigger. I think you just go like that and then like press it down. Go boom, press, no, press, wait, press, hold, no, down, press, no. Down, press. Maybe? I don't know. We're gonna try it. Hopefully this works. Is that supposed to what the heck? So I'd like to just say that I'm dumb. I just drove back all the way to my house because my mom wasn't answering because I knew that she knew how to put this on. You're not supposed to attach it to this. You're supposed to attach it to the freaking window. Like, I literally have no words. Yes, yes, yes. Finally got the tripod on literally 45 minutes later. I'm at a different spot because there were a couple of girls making TikToks that I was going to, and I just wasn't about to be filming right in front of them. The next thing that I'm going to do is put on this phone holder right here. Got this from Canadian Tire. Seems simple enough. Slide it. Oh, that's sick. You press that button and it just widens. There. Okay, that seems pretty good. Oh, my battery's already died. That is actually super, super, super nice. I actually got this cute little tissue box thing. It kind of looks like a Burberry pattern, and I got it off of Amazon. I got most of these things off Amazon, and I'm gonna put it like right up there. It's such a cute pattern and it matches the tan. This battery's dying too. Please be a full battery. 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 Please be a another battery gone. This is the last one. Just put it on. Okay, that is probably the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Guys, look at that. That is so cute. The next thing that I got is one of my favorite things ever. It is this cute little sparkly ring that will go around my push to start button. Oh. What the freak? It's dripping, it's dripping. Okay. There's sparkle in your eyes. I feel that is so cute. Oh, okay, so one other thing that I actually am ordering online on Amazon is a like roadside emergency kit, and it just has like a bunch of stuff in it. I'll put a picture up here, but that is coming sometime like at the end of June or something, so I don't know if it'll be in this video, but I'm gonna put that in the trunk. Some charging cables. I have one charging cable in the console here, but this is actually like not mine, so I'm gonna take that out, but I have one here and then two in the back seat. They're so bright and white. What the heck? Okay, give that back to whoever I stole that from. The other two cords, I actually have a electronic bag, and this one I literally just got it like Winners or something. In here I actually have a laptop charger, which is just like the cord of it. This one is just to charge my laptop in the car because I have a laptop car charger. I cannot tell you how many times where I'm on the highway, where I'm going to the new house or went to the cottage, you see that catch there, and I'm trying to upload my video or edit and my laptop dies and I can't charge my laptop until I get there. It also has a USB. Perfect, would recommend, got it on Amazon. I will link all these things down below. And it actually comes with this cute little elastic that keeps them together, so. Oh, it's so hot in my car, guys. This is going in the bag too, and then I have one more. The next thing that I'm putting in my car, I need to fix my position, is a reusable straw. These I always use when I go to Starbucks. This is an Eco Tribe one. Put it in there. If I just like grab my Starbucks drink, I can be like, whoop, whoop, whoop. Next thing is I have an extra mask that I just keep in this bag if anyone needs one for corona vibrations. Sunglasses that I'm putting in this little, you can't even tell, in the sunglasses compartment. This personal beauty bag. Okay. Well, I forgot to put tampons in this, but I will. Some things that I have in here are this little dry spray deodorant, and I have a mini hairbrush, hair ties, which I'm always running out of, but apparently I find them all over my life, so don't know how that happened. A glasses cleaner or sunglasses cleaner. Oh, I also need to put glasses in here. Okay, I'm gonna make a list of stuff that I forgot. Contact solution, glasses, and tampon. This dry shampoo, I got it at Nature's Emporium, but basically it's just like a powder that you just like go like that in your hair and then you just rub it. It's a natural one. This is a nature tint one. Some perfume, Pacifica Sugared Amber Dreams. Then I have some floss and then some lip balm. This is the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Lip Balm. This one's so good. It's like unopened. It's fresh and new. Oh, I also have some Purell here for quick access. Next thing that I have is another bag. In this bag, I have some diabetes supplies. If you guys didn't know, I'm type 1 diabetic. I just have like an extra insulin pen in here. I have an extra tester because I wear CGM. I have like this band-aid that I can put on it if it's falling off. Skin tag wipes and some extra pen tips. Gum and mints, which I will be constantly restocking in this car because you can never literally have enough of these. I eat these for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you didn't know. Spearmint and oh my gosh, these are so good. I'm really tempted to have one now. This is so fun, guys. Like, I've been waiting to do this for so long. Then I have a microfiber cloth. It's like at a red stoplight. You know, you just kind of want to clean off your car, make sure it's not dusty or crusty. Next thing that I have is a pen, just if I need to sign anything. A diffuser. I ordered these on Amazon too. Basically, you take the diffuser out. It comes with two. Looks like this, and it comes with these cute little pads. So you just choose whatever color you want. I think we all know what color I'm about to do. We take the pink one, you open it up, drop some essential oils on this pad. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do like a peppermint one just because that smell is so like clean and fresh and stuff. Stick this on your vent. Last but not least, I have some band-aids in here. I just put them in a little Pandora bag. This bag is from Bally Body, by the way. In my trunk, I'm gonna be putting a blanket, you know, for those drive-in vibes. Okay, what I also like to do is just take some cash out of my wallet and kind of hide it in the car, and I feel like this is a really, really good idea. I have been in so many situations where I just like needed cash, like for gas or something. I always have those situations. I'm just gonna like hide this somewhere. I'm ordering a garbage bag that I'm gonna put on the screen here. So let's get started with the car tour, I guess. So I have the microfiber cloth, straw, and then like food in case I go low while I'm driving, which would not be good. Then I have this cute little phone holder. Over here we have the cutest diamond ring over the start and stop. Then the tripod for the camera. This little diffuser that I'm gonna have to fill with essential oils. And this I like to keep empty, like if my friends want to put their phones there or something. In the center console I have the charger, which I'm always using, so I kind of just like leave it out. The hand sanitizer, perfume, lip balm, gum and mints. My purse literally always goes there. I never basically move it. In here we have the personal bag, the diabetes bag, and the tech bag. And we also have some napkins that I just like put there because I'm just like bound to spill something. Then I have this cute little pen holder, like you literally just stick a pen in there and it's like meant for that. I have the mask over there for an extra. So here's like a nice little overview of what I see when I'm driving. Then when we go to the back, I just have this blanket here, and then my roadside kit is also going to be here. And I'll show you guys where the garbage is gonna be. It's on the passenger side. There's a little hook here that you can hook a garbage on. It still looks super clean, and I didn't want to do anything to the colors of it because I already love how tan and bright it is, so I didn't want to make it too colorful. That's it for this part of the video. I will see you guys when I'm debadging the back. Okay, bye. Now we are going to debadge the back of the car. We're gonna get rid of, so 1, 2, 3 badges on the back of it.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Land Rover, baby.
Okay.
You're doing that one.
Ew, ew. Is that supposed to be
Yeah, it'll.
Oh.
You broke it. God damn it.
Christopher.
You broke it again.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
But it just won't go under.
You should do a debadge morning routine. Summer school, morning routine, evening, night.
My debadging routine. Yes.
It's a SPO.
It's a SPO. Yeah, but it won't go under it.
Hey, don't be so aggressive.
Ow, 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 ow. Oh my god, look at my finger. Oh my god.
Damn, boy. Hey, look at us, boy.
Goodness. It's taking everything in me not to just like rip it off with my fingers. That looks so nice! You can't even tell where it was. It actually looks so good. Cause that one looks like clean on the front and clean on the back.
Let's go.
So right now, we're going to the car wash. We are going to the car wash. This is the first time I've ever washed this car. Oh, I also want to wash the, you probably already do this. Wash the brake dust off of my wheels.
Ooh, nice turn.
And I shouldn't have much of that because I'm super easy on the brakes.
John would be proud.
John would be proud. John's like watching this. He's
John
like,
pops
how
out of
do
the
I-
trunk. Yes, Sadie, yes! Wait,
Wash?
did you bring microfiber towels?
What? You didn't tell me that we needed any of this.
Oh yeah, there's one right here.
I mean, I have one.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine.
Oh my gosh, it's like a bathroom stall. That's so cute. Okay, brothers and sisters.
Go, hurry up.
Oh, I put way too much in.
Hurry up, hurry up.
What do I do?
Okay, grab the thing and then click the trigger, but don't point it at me, okay? Be careful.
What the heck?
Okay, now spray it at the car. Okay, start from the top. Start from the top. No, not the windshield, the top of the car. Like, yeah. Hold it down, hold it down. Okay, move around. Now move down. Keep going. Wait, you left your door open. You left your door open. Oh my god. Keep moving. You gotta move faster. You only have like 1 minute left. Oh god. Okay, you're missing the bottom. You missed here. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, you have 10 seconds to finish the side. Okay, now go move that dial to soap. Quickly, quickly. Yeah, go. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, you have 10 seconds. Okay, now go move it back to water.
I feel like I've got time to get it.
I don't think you'll get it done in time. Okay, you have 27 seconds. Oh!
Oh, sorry.
You have 10 seconds. 5,
No!
3,
No!
2, 1. Oh, that's really sad. And that's the workout. Okay, we gotta. What?
That was the most traumatic experience I've ever had, and it's not even clean.
You just parked in the middle of 2 spots. There's a spot there and a spot there. And you parked in the middle. You actually can't reach it. You should not be able to buy a car if you can't reach.
Oh golly.
Your rims are pretty clean. Wait, you're not done. Look. Oh, she's bad. How about here, Sadie? What's this? Oh, so we're just leaving that there? So curious. Oh my god. Oh my, what the, Sadie, what is this?
How does I got hold of it with one hand?
You were like.
I was like, damn. It's actually super clean right now. My brother just like went over it while I was getting gas, so I filled up and I have a full tank. super excited about that. It's so hot today. It's 33 degrees, but hope you're all having a great day. So right now I have to go in and pack. So it's a couple days later now. I just wanted to show you guys the garbage bin that I put in my car. I don't know why I was so excited about this. Basically just like a black bag, and I hooked it on the hook here. It's just so easy. There's a Velcro at the bottom to empty it. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. I loved making this video because you guys know I love decorating and organizing. Yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.